Here's what we're gonna do.
Scared, right?
I'm gonna make a prediction, alright? A prediction for the future, alright? Look at me. Yeah, okay. Alright, we'll try this. Are you right-handed or left-handed? Right-handed? Watch the right hand. Right. Hold it tight. You get to that. To your here's what I'm gonna have you do. Anybody know how to shuffle a deck of cards?
Yeah.
You know how to shuffle a deck?
Do you? Allison does.
Here's what I'm gonna have you do. Let's do this by portions. Go ahead and shuffle this deck.
Have you been playing in Las Vegas lately?
Even I can't even do that. Perfect. Bottom. Want to shuffle that?
Thanks for having us. Wait, you gotta see these magic tricks now.
They're crazy.
They're absolutely wonderful.
It's awesome. You want to sit through here and
You've got to.
stand in there a while?
You gotta stay long enough to see these.
Do the last portion.
Right, Rachel?
No, that's not many, but
As of right now, my dad has a dollar bill in his hand.
He wrote something on my dollar bill.
Alright, perfect. Alright. What I want you to do is, I want you to cut the deck in half. Alright?
Don't be
scared. Cut the deck in half.
Cut the deck. I don't have a knife.
Oh. Oh, no, not that kind.
I figured that's what she was looking at those cards on.
And just place it right here.
Do you have scissors or a knife I can borrow?
Place these face up, alright? And we're going to place it back on top of it. This time, I want you to cut even deeper than you did before. Even deeper. A little bit deeper. Alright, perfect. Flip those over. And place it back. Alright? Now, was that fair? Did that seem kind of fair? Yeah, you could have cut the cards anywhere, right? No, I had no influence of where you cut the cards and how you shuffle the deck, right? What I'm going to have you do is, face up card. Right? And this is going to be the indicated card. Alright? We're going to count down 9 cards, alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 9th card. Remember I made that prediction earlier? Look. The 9th card is actually 6 of hearts. Go ahead and open up your bill.
6 of hearts.
Show everybody else.
Hey, show it to the camera.
Yeah, that's exactly 6 of hearts.
Very good, very good. I'll tell you what.
Here's the weird thing. Here's the weird thing. I never understand why this happens. You shuffle the deck, right? You cut the cards, right? Here's the weirdest thing. Look. 7, ace, 8, 4, 2, 4, 5, and queen. All right.
Oh, sorry.
That looks. A queen looks like what? A 0, right? 0, 5, 4, 2, 4, 8, 1, ace 1, and 7, right? Look at the serial number on that bill.
H05424817.
Oh my word!